we hoped to receive fertilizer by this month. Unfortunately, due to just small turbulences from the source, where there was some technical challenges, fertilizer will be received in the month of September. It is estimated that the shipment carrying the fertilizer will dock at Mombasa on 3rd of September this month. And we request our farmers to remain patient, as all other logistics are well prepared, so that when that ship docks at Mombasa, immediately distribution of fertilizer will commence and farmers will get it within the same month of September.